Plastics and elastomers power countless industries from automotive to medical to packaging. But did you know that metallic stearates play a crucial role in improving their performance and processability? Today, we'll explore how PMC Biogenix metallic stearates help manufacturers optimize plastic and elastomer production with better lubrication, stabilization, and dispersion. What are metallic stearates? Metallic stearates are metallic salts of stearic acid, typically made with calcium, zinc, magnesium, or aluminum. These additives have multiple functions. Lubricants, reducing friction and wear during processing. Mold release agents, preventing sticking and improving surface quality. Stabilizers, enhancing heat and UV resistance in polymers. Processing aids, improving dispersion of fillers and pigments. Why use PMC Biogenix metallic stearates? PMC Biogenix offers a wide range of metallic stearates formulated for specific industry needs. Here is why they stand out. Precision formulation, tailored compositions for different plastic and elastomer applications. High purity and consistency, ensuring reliable performance batch after batch. Regulatory compliance, meeting stringent industry standards for safety and performance. Versatility, compatible with PVC, polyethylene, polypropylene, rubber, and more. PMC Biogenix metallic stearates are essential across a variety of applications. For plastics manufacturing, it improves extrusion and injection molding efficiency, enhances dispersion of fillers and pigments, prevents surface defects and sticking. In elastomer processing, it enhances flow properties in rubber compounds, improves mold release and anti-blocking properties, provides thermal stability for long-term performance. PMC Biogenix metallic stearates are also used in specialty applications, such as coatings, adhesives, and pharmaceuticals, for their processing benefits. Not all metallic stearates are the same. Here is a quick breakdown. Calcium stearates are excellent mold release and anti-caking agents. Zinc stearates have high lubricity and are widely used in thermoplastics. Aluminum stearates are used in nylon extrusion for improved processing. Ready to enhance your plastics and elastomers with PMC Biogenix metallic stearates? Visit ChemPoint today to learn more and find the right solution for your needs.